Hello everyone, my name is Arun Dev. I completed my degree on electronics and communication from Priest University in Chennai. So during the pandemic period, I was lucky enough to get a small internship role in embedded systems, and which is where I was introduced to the world of electronics and embedded systems. So I quickly completed my graduation and I came to Bangalore in search of the best team where I could get enough coaching for embedded systems. And that is how I landed up in Emertxe. The whole team was very supportive. All my mentors, all my placement team was very helpful in giving me enough knowledge and helping me through placements. Even though I was from an online batch, my mentors had separate batches for interview preparations and dedicated a team to help me and get placed. And because of all the support, I was able to get placed in a company called Inxee. And I would like to thank each and everyone in this Emertxe team and my placement team. And I would suggest everyone who is looking for career in embedded systems, come and join Emertxe so that they will get placed in a premium company and have a great career ahead.